Something that one should probably wonder about is what happens when dogs are relegated to being pets. We can think of changes that have happened to their form and behavior that have happened in recent decades in particular, where dogs pretty much stopped being working animals. Yeah, there are people about that authentically use them as guard dogs or hunting dogs or whatever, but usually even that is adulterated. One of the themes of this movie is an implied opening of portals and a transference of the callousness of humanity kind of coming back upon them, and how the dogs in the film react. Science is not the same as ethics are the risks. Secrecy breeds actions and results to cover up. Theory is based on existing evidence. Nature can't be stopped and will either be directed or find a way. It would seem that the pets would kill beyond feeding if there were an uprising or an attempt at universal freedom. And one thing that movies like this often do is leave things unresolved and leave an indication of future movies, for example. And I'm not sure if there were more along this lines, either as official parts of the series or otherwise. But I definitely see a couple angles or so that could have been done with.